Yeah, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. Yes, we want to talk about the next topic. Our next topic is how to tag your video. Yes, to tag your video is one of the things that we need to help your video go viral. So, most of the times people we just go to uh, Google or search engine. You see that what they are looking, that the particular thing they are looking for that moment, they will type it there. Google will search for that topic and display it. For example, you want to buy a product and you live in Enugu and you don't want to leave your house. You need that product to be delivered to you, and you don't know a particular person that is that will be able to bring that delivery to your doorstep. So all you need to do, you go online and type the product name. For example, if the person need bag of rice and the person just need who will bring that bag of rice to his or her house direct, all the person need to do is to go online and make research of anyone who can do home delivery of a bag of rice, those that are selling bag of rice, and they can also do the home delivery. Person will just type it and place his or her location. Maybe they are in Enugu state. You see, after typing that, the message will just display and locate the nearest shop, or the nearest shop that have that rice, and the shop that can deliver it to their doorstep. The information will just come up, and with that now, he or she can get the contact of the supplier and communicate with them. What I'm trying to say is that you need to have a tag that is talking about your video, so that whenever somebody anywhere, any part of the world type that particular tag that carries your own tag, that carries your tag, the person, your own particular information will display for the people to see and get the kind of video they are looking for, or get the kind of product they are looking for. So that is the reason of tag. Tag is very, very important. So when you have a good tag that follows your video, it makes your video to go viral. All right, see you as we enter the practical session for how to create tag for our video. Now, tag is one of the uh, information that is needed for our video to go viral. So let's click on ChatGPT to be loading, then we'll discuss about that of the tag. Yes, tag help our video to go viral. There are people that want to, that in one way or the other, they will want to search for a particular thing online. So the process of them searching for that particular topic, your topic might be the one that somebody is searching for. Remember, we have billions of people all over the world, so everybody have their mindset of searching for whatsoever they need to solve their problem. Somebody can search for what they will buy, a bag of rice, as in where can they get bag of rice within their environment. That one is physical product. They can search and get the nearest delivering company that they can order product and they will deliver it to them. While some, they can search and get online products. And online products, you don't need to go to the person's doorstep to do the delivery. They can just order it online and they will get what they are looking for. So with your tag, somebody can say, how to get digital products, and the person may specify it, maybe PDF file, such as the person may apply the title, and it will just display your own product for that person. The person, when the person see it and love it, the person will purchase your product. So that's what tag can do. So the tag we are looking for here now is the tag that will help us to get our what is it called, information on how to upload video. So the tag will just type, give me a good tag for my Rumble channel on how to upload a video, on how to upload a video on Rumble. Okay, Rumble is already there, no need. On how to upload a video. So now if we send it, it's going to give us that wonderful tag we are looking for. Yeah, you can see, look at the powerful tag that it has given us here. Say for your Rumble video, on how to upload a video on Rumble, say use this SEO friendly tag. So look at the tag, how to upload video on Rumble. Another one, upload video on Rumble. The other one, Rumble tutorial for beginners. How to use Rumble channel. You see all these different tag that is showing. You select all of them and click copy. Now let me explain further. If somebody now want to know how to create a Rumble channel or how to upload video on their Rumble channel, by the time the person type how to go to a search engine and type how to upload video on Rumble channel or how to create a Rumble or Rumble tutorial, you see that your option will just display for this person. And when the option display, if the person see, if your own is among the one that is display and the person click on your own, tap your own topic, you see that it will take that person out to your channel. And when the person get there, the person will want to watch all your different video that you have. Only one topic now, I've carried that person to your channel, and from that place now, the person will see different type of your videos. At the end of the day, the person will be learning one after the other with all your videos. So that is the good thing about it. And remember, anytime somebody is viewing your video, remember it's a monetized video. So anytime somebody is viewing your video, they are paying your your money is increasing. They are increasing your money. So that's the good thing about it, because the person is viewing the video and the person is also following you. Because when the person see your content that is very vital, they will start following you. So that is how it. I will say thank you for paying attention to this video session. See you in our next video. I believe we enjoyed this class. So what you need to do now is to begin your practical. Start applying the practical now. Screenshot it and begin to send them to the group. Everything we are going to learn for the 2 weeks, that's how we'll be dropping them all. As we are doing the practice, we are dropping it. Let it be known that we are serious with what we are doing here. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you all in Jesus' name.